In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your password on Squarespace. Squarespace is an incredibly user-friendly platform, but sometimes even the simplest tasks like updating your password can seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with the interface. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a straightforward guide that will have your password changed in no time. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. You can do this simply by typing Squarespace into your internet browser and selecting the official Squarespace site from your search results. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you've connected your Squarespace account with your Google account for easier access, the next step is simple. Click on Continue with Google. This is particularly convenient as it saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password. After clicking, Google will ask which account you'd like to continue with. Select the Google account you've used to sign up or connect with Squarespace. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your specific Squarespace site. You may have one or multiple sites under your account, so make sure you're choosing the correct one to edit. You can do this by browsing through your Squarespace dashboard and selecting the website you wish to work on. With your site open, the next step is to access the backend where all the magic happens. You're looking for the Pages section of your site settings. Squarespace has a streamlined, intuitive design, so finding Pages should be pretty straightforward. Within the Pages section, you will notice various page settings and configurations. Here, locate the page or area of your site that you want to password protect or whose password needs changing. This could be a members area, an exclusive part of your site, or any page you've previously set up with password protection. Hover over this section and an icon resembling a gear will appear. That's the settings icon and you'll want to click on it. Once you're in the settings of the specific page you're modifying, look for the password field. This is where you can update or change the password as needed. Remember, it's critical to choose a strong, unique password to ensure your page remains secure. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to beef up your password strength. After you've entered your new desired password, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the top right corner or the bottom of the page you're working on. Clicking Save will apply the changes you've made to the password settings. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your password on Squarespace. Changing your password occasionally is a good practice to keep your site secure from unauthorized access, so well done on taking this step. Remember, if at any point during this process you need help or have questions, Squarespace offers a comprehensive help center and customer support to assist you. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides on managing your Squarespace website. See you next time.